He's a really splendid engine. Everybody knows, but he does go on and on and on, always telling us so. He's a really splendid fellow. He really is quite vain. Who did he name? You got it. James! Look who's coming down the track. Make way for James. Hooray for James. And Johnny paint with the jet black stack. Make way for James. Hooray for James. What is to say, none we really should note. It's indisputable, but let's take a vote. Really splendid engine with a bright red coat. He can brag all day, how fast he goes, how good he looks, he's such a pros. But what about the time he was covered in mud? Oh, what a dope, what a dud. Up and down the line, you hear the others say, despite his vanity, he really is okay. Dependable, reliable, and seldom late. We all think James is great. On the line like a lightning flash. Make way for James. Hooray for James. As he whooshes past, make way for James. Hooray for James. He knows how to stage a show. You better stand back and watch him go. He's the really splendid engine with the bright red coat. He's running in down the track. Make way for James. Hooray for James. Never looks up, he never looks back. Make way for James. Hooray for James. He did and really quite vain. He knows we love him just the same. Take a look who's coming down the track. Make way for James. Hooray for James. Shiny paint with the jet black stack. Make way for James. Hooray for James. He's the really splendid engine. Shiny engine. He's the really splendid engine. That's our James.
That's James.